So my husband came up with this great idea. He says, well, why don't you make videos for me to learn how to say certain things in Samoan, certain words or certain questions, and then just put it on YouTube. And that way, when I have time, I'll watch it and then make sure that, because he wants to pronounce the words exactly how they're supposed to be pronounced in Samoan. I think his Samoan is getting a lot better, but with this idea, I thought, okay, maybe I'll share it with everybody that wants to learn Samoan. So his question that we worked on last week is, where is your village in Samoa? That was the question that he asked me. But today, that I shared that with the previous video from a couple of days ago. So where is your village, town, or city? Okay, the reason why I added town or city, because in the Samoan language, it uses the same word. So this is how you would say it. Ofea lo nu'u. See the top one? And then the bottom one, I use the same, it uses the same word. It's just a little bit different in spelling. Ofea lo nu'u with the apostrophe. But it means the same. That word is the same as village. Nu'u is village in Samoa. Okay? Lo means you. So, Ofea, where is your village? It's right there, sorry. And then the bottom question right there is, is how you would ask using the more respectful language. Ofea lo alalafanga. It means the same. Like I said before, it means the same. Alalafanga is another word for village, but more respectful word for village. But in respond, you can't say olo'u alalafanga. Just remember that. Olo'u nu'u o. Because you do never, in the Samoan language, you never give respectful words to yourself. Okay? So when you say ofea lo nu'u, or ofea lo alalafanga, that means village. Where is your village? Or a city or a town? And then you will respond olo'u nu'u o, and then you give the name of the village right there. Okay? Thought I'd share that with you. I hope you like these videos. Push the like button, and if you want more